Hello and welcome back to Destination Modified. I will apologise just now for my awful throat because I've got cold, flu or whatever I've managed to pick up. Anyway, we're going to do like a little update on what the plan is with the S15. What the was that?
That was a wee, what are they called again? A wee B-roll. B-roll?
A wee B-roll?
B-roll?
Oh, he's sick. Right, okay, he's done like a, whatever.
Get on, mate, just because I'm better than you at it.
100%, like, 100%.
Hands like a gyro, mate.
Hands like a gyro. A gimbal, mate.
Aye, but it's the same thing.
Right, okay. So,
you know what I mean?
S15's pretty much away now. Weather's dog shit. It's black at like 6 o'clock.
You want me to show them that? Just your pointing. Oh yeah. See that?
Absolute
darkness.
Pissing down. So, S15's pretty much away for winter now. So we've got a few things that we need to kind of tidy up, so we'll go over them first. But we'll get on to the mods shortly, but this is just like an update before of what the plan is over winter, because this is when all the mods and stuff get done, when we're not at shows and So, the aero bumper is kinda butchered for the intercooler. So
who the hell done that?
That was definitely Cal, but with my permission, just to get that intercooler to fit, because it was a nightmare. So we're going to smooth this all, because it's quite rough just now.
I can't even notice me, this car makes it look perfect.
Oh, 100%. Like.
I'm going to take all credit for that if it looks bad though.
Take credit for the intercooler as well, Cal.
What happened to the intercooler?
The stencil, mate.
Ah, it fits perfect.
Fits perfect. So Callum did a stencil, and it was a one-off because it was terrible. And
Bro!
It looked sound when the bumper wasn't on the car, but as soon as the bumper went on, you can't see half of it.
Mate, that's pristine.
So,
yeah. Motorworks.
Motorworks. Right. So, the plan is to get the stencil taken off, like the paint off, refresh the intercooler a bit. As you can see, the bumper's still not aligned properly. That's because of the intercooler as well, so we need to do that.
That is accident repair.
Previous write-off. So, and if you follow me around here, the 350Z wing mirrors are very broken. So we don't know how this has happened, but the plan is, to be honest, try to get a plastic welder in Dumfries. Are you pointing the camera at the floor or some shit? No?
That is right in your face, mate.
Oh, no,
the floor would be better, but here we are.
So, I do not know a plastic welder, and try to get one in Dumfries is basically non-existent, so I'm just going to buy another set of 350 mirrors and get them painted. Other than that, that's pretty much all the other stuff, sorry. But the main mods over the winter are going to be under here.
In the boot? Oh.
in the boot. So, as you can see, engine bay itself looks good. The actual engine, however, looks absolutely horrible. So the plan is to get custom-made pipes for the intercooler, which will be done by Cal.
Yours truly.
New radiator is on the way. I went for a Koyo Rad. So I've got the radiator cap, but I don't have the radiator. So you actually have to. That's not the actual.
Right, that's a cap.
Aye, that's not the Koyo.
Look, spa like yourself.
That's just a order, mate, alright? So the cap arrived because you have to order them separate. Cap's like 20 quid. Ah, p***y.
It is a bit like. Just use that, then.
Yeah, exactly. Just paint it black or some shit. But so that's going and getting replaced by the Koyo Rad. I've also bought the Garage Defend carbon cooling panel that'll sit across here.
Yeah, boy.
Tidy up all that shit. But it's also...
It does look shit.
It does, yeah. But it's also hilarious because it's made to order and takes 90 days to ship.
That's right.
So 3 months.
What's 3 months between pals?
Yeah, exactly. So we need content and we're having to wait 3 months to fit something that'll take me 2 minutes.
Oh, we'll just start making
like 10 seconds.
Right, what we'll do is we'll just the next video will just be us taking one popper out at a time.
Yeah, slowed down real fast.
Yeah, slow mo.
So we're gonna probably get a custom intake pipe made by Calm as well, because we don't run a MAF anymore. It's unplugged. Because
we did hide it though.
Yeah,
yeah.
But it's also just looks
it does a bit.
So because I'm running the Link G4X, we don't run a MAF anymore. So that'll be getting done. We'll probably take the heat shield off because it looks terrible. I will apologise again. My throat is killing. So, but we deal with it.
Too much.
I wish, mate. Saturday was not great. So the rocker cover is also getting sent away to be painted. And I don't know what the plan is with the actual.
I can make a custom one of them and all.
Well, I thought that, and then put like some random text on there.
Yeah, put like dimple it sort of thing. Yeah. I mean, dimple it sort of thing.
Well, I spoke to a company called Biffstead International, based in Australia.
It's not quite B&R, but I know what you mean.
Well, if you could do one, I was planning on getting.
Well, that's kind of what I was hinting at, like.
Well, the Destination Modified logo. How are you getting that in there?
Well, I can just rip this top up.
Just
stick it on.
Yeah, merch coming soon. We'll get onto that later.
Yeah.
Oh, mate, I've just touched it.
Oh, you didn't?
Oh, you're alright. But yeah, if we're able to get some custom one of them made, we'll probably do that. I did look at a carbon one, but then they're not made anymore. And they actually looked sick as well, and they would have fitted well with the Garage Defence thing, but knows.
You can't message Garage Defence, see if they'll make one. And if they're making them, you wait 90 days, mate.
Japan,
You can't.
Mate. I can't talk Japanese.
Just show them your instructions of one of your flipping parts.
Exactly. Right, so like this. So it also looks terrible. The inlet panel will also be getting taken off and cleaned up because it looks absolutely terrible just now. But there is a company I've been speaking about that does the whole lot, and the OE turbo and stuff like that, the housing. So whether or not I'll do the turbo and stuff, because you can't see it anyway. So
yeah, it's
tiny little fella.
tubular manifold.
Tubular settle. The brake booster, it'll also be getting painted just to the same colour as the car. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty. The plan is just get it looking nice, and then.
Okay, that's all you're doing, the engine bay.
Yeah.
You got more than that, mate.
Okay, well, I'm getting on there, alright? Give me a second. So, because this next bit is going to cost an absolute fortune, the plan is to go top mount eventually. I spoke to a few S15 owners tonight, in fact, and to get a Forest SR, it's like 8 to 10k, which is disgusting. So
B&R do it for 7.
so whether we go down that route or not, I'm not too sure yet. Because ideally, I'd be happy with 400, which should be fine-ish. But I'd rather be reliable and force the thing if I'm going to be running power through it anyway. And then I would need a top mount manifold, turbo, custom like downpipe and stuff like that, which Callum will obviously be able to do, but it's going to cost cash. So yeah, when you're talking about like the engine and the top mount turbo and stuff like that, you're talking probably about 15 grand, which is not ideal. Because I do not have 15k just lying about. And then you have to worry about shit in the gearbox after that, which is...
No, it's fine.
Yeah, I do not want to do that again.
Worry about that as it happens. Don't worry about it now.
Yeah, true. So, as I mentioned earlier, we have got merch. I've been waiting for Calum and Mark to do their pictures for about 3 years.
We've had the merch for like 3 weeks.
3 weeks, my ass! I feel like a couple of months. Right, this is a lightweight hoodie. That's how long ago this was, because it was f***ing summer. So. It was the height of summer. Yeah. That's why I went lightweight, right? But they're actually really good for the gym. Big logo on the back, which is pretty sick. But the company that we actually get these from have got like medium, heavyweight hoodies, obviously lightweight t-shirts, hats and stuff. We've only got these lightweight hoodies.
Why can we get a hat on actually?
It's upstairs, and that is effort when I'm feeling like this. But I will show you the t-shirt.
Put that back on.
Yeah, I know.
And you have to maybe cut that bit out because that was like a nude. but we'll be alright.
Oh mate, look at my damaged arm right there.
What?
Pretty sure that was Saturday when I was cutting a bit in heels in the venue.
Injecting the roid.
So this is the t-shirt. Very nice.
Very nice, very nice. Oh yeah.
So nice back logo as well. We've all got different colours, which is why I needed Callum and Mark to take the photos, but they have not been done yet. So when they get round to doing that, because they're not busy at all, even though they say they are. Callum's only got about 2 cars.
That's the busy side of the workshop.
Times by about 8.
Yeah.
Yeah, so once we get the pictures, we'll actually advertise it and we'll put the prices up and stuff. But this is just like a little bit to get his interest if you actually want stuff.
Probably not.
Probably not. But we move, Callum. All right, we move.
Oh man.
So yeah. But anyway, thanks for watching this little update video. Hopefully, next video we'll have the radiator and we'll install that and have a bit of a laugh.
Probably dropping it, busting it. Be alright.
Because it's
wait till you get the carbon panel and break that. 90 days.
You'll be flying over to Japan and making it yourself, mate. Alright?
I wouldn't fly over if I was making it myself, would I?
No, you'd be flying over.
Why would I not just do it in my own garage? Why would I fly over to Japan to make it?
You got a carbon fibre making machine like that?
Mate, it's not a machine that... Carry on.
I'm not even getting it. You gotta sit there and facility. Alright, sound.
It's not a problem to me.
Alright, no bother, just get done then.
Yeah.
I'll just cancel the order the new. So, remember, like, comment,
subscribe.
One of them.
Hit the wee subscribe button. Wee bell icon. You always forget the bell icon.
You're trained up, like, you're doing well.
Confidence is key. Right?
Confidence is key.
Anyway, peace out, hope you enjoyed the video.
Catch you later.
Catch you again.